Exploring must-see attractions, your ultimate guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for all you avid travelers and English language learners out there. Must-see attractions. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just dreaming of far-off places, understanding this phrase will definitely enrich your adventures. So, let's get started and explore what makes an attraction a must-see. Must-see attractions might seem like a simple phrase, but there's a lot packed into these three words. Must-see is a compound adjective that describes something as highly recommended or essential to be visited or experienced. When we say something is a must-see, we're telling our listeners that it's something they shouldn't miss out on. This phrase is often used to talk about places of interest, like monuments, natural wonders, or cultural experiences that are considered highlights of a particular destination. You might wonder, what makes an attraction a must-see? Several factors can play into this designation. Historical significance. Places that offer a glimpse into the past or have played a pivotal role in history. Unique features. Attractions that stand out due to their uniqueness or rarity, offering experiences you can't get anywhere else. Cultural importance. Sites that provide insight into the culture and traditions of a place. Natural beauty. Stunning landscapes or natural phenomena that are breathtakingly beautiful. Popularity. Sometimes, places become must-see attractions simply because they are widely visited and talked about. Understanding why an attraction is labeled as must-see can enhance your appreciation of the place and provide a more meaningful experience when you visit. Now that we know what must-see attractions are, let's learn how to use this phrase in sentences. This will not only help you in your travels but also improve your English communication skills. When you visit Paris, the Eiffel Tower is a must-see attraction. Our tour guide listed the Grand Canyon as one of the must-see attractions in the United States. I've heard that the night markets in Taiwan are must-see attractions for food lovers. Using the phrase in sentences like these will make your English sound more natural and fluent, especially when talking about travel and tourism. And that wraps up our journey through the world of must-see attractions. We hope this video has not only broadened your English vocabulary but also sparked your curiosity to explore these remarkable places around the globe. Remember, traveling is not just about visiting new places, it's about experiencing the beauty and diversity of our world. So, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.